Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I've got for you a fashion haul, and it's none other than everything £5. I've got some hangers, so we're going to be hanging some stuff in those hangers, and let's just go through the box. Guys, as you can see, I've got quite a bit and I'm very excited to share with you everything I got from everything £5. Amazing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I paid for this box over £65. I think I paid £66 with the delivery and everything to my home address. And but for everything I've got for £65, I mean, you go to Zara, you get 2-3 items and that'll be the end of it. But let's have a look what we have in here. Woohoo! Excited! So here we have got, I think it's a top, first of all. I wanted to get, I mean, I do have a lot of tops, but I find myself gravitating to getting more. And let's just, I mean, let's just appreciate the packaging, guys. Everything is well packed, you know, everything. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's have a look. What is this? Oh, this is a crop top. Really nice. It reminds me something from Topshop that I had many years ago. Let's hang these babies. Let's have a look. Yeah, guys, I mean, such a bargain, and I can tell straight away the quality is great. It's not like you know, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I mean, it's not silk or anything, but this is the top. Has got like a balloon sleeve, and oh my god, I just hope it fits me on the arms. I feel like it might not fit me in the arms. It's a bit like I put a lot of weight on. So guys, pray for me. And in the boob area, there's plenty of room there by the looks of it. And this is a size medium. It's by the brand Silker. You know, they make all these brands names up. But it's ever so nice, and I like a lot. If you guys have a look, the color, this blush pink, and it's quite romantic. Really like it. I'll try here for you guys. Okay. So that's item number 1. Started to exercise again, and I got this set here for my workouts and stuff. So let's have a look. Okay, feels, oh, okay, this is something. Okay, this is something else. All right, sorry. Okay, so what we have here. Okay, so this one here is a crop top with some joggers. Crop top with joggers. A set, very easy to wear because you don't have to think about the bottom or the top. It's already there. So this is the crop top. It seems quite small. What size did I get? A medium. But it has a bit of stretch. Now it's pure cotton. It feels like really good cotton quality. Has got NY, you know, and I like this color. So let's try it on and see how it looks like on. And this is the joggers. Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna fit in it at all. Not chance. Why does it look so tiny in a medium? Oh, I'm disappointed about this one. I was looking forward to get this one here because I just thought it'd be nice for the gym. But look at the size of it. It's ever so tiny, and I've got hips, and I'm gonna have to give this to my 10-year-old child. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but oh, that's disappointing. on, we have got another, I'm loving these blue, anything royal blue, like baby blue, like pastel colors. I'm definitely into these colors. I think it just looks so nice in that melon skin. I mean, into any skin, but I just think it looks fabulous. Alrighty, this is the same top or similar top to the first one. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute because it doesn't fit anyway. What's the point, right? Disappointed. Was looking forward to wear these. It would be so nice with some Air Forces, Nikes. Never mind. Anyway, so this is similar top, just in a different color. I thought these with the white linen trousers or with white skinny jeans. Just nice. Some heels. Okay. Again, what's that? I got this in the large. You know, one thing I notice about everything £5. Sometimes if you're not careful or if you're not lucky, they'll send you a different size. It happens a lot. I mean, well, it will send you a different size. It does happen. So this is a large, but I'm gonna go and have a look if I ordered the large, but I think it's better actually. Like this color a lot. Actually got a pair of culottes that would match these perfectly. So let's try and see. Then we have this item here. One thing I'm looking forward to try on, guys, is this pair of trousers. Trust me, it looks like $1,000,000. Let's just pray it fits like $1,000,000, okay? This is quite heavy. What is this? Oh, I was looking for to get this piece here, guys. It looks like Max Mara. Not exaggerating. It reminded me something like you know, it's like a kimono type of sort of a dress, but it's good quality as well, mate. This is nice. Very impressed. Like this already. Oh my god, I'm dying to see it on. Have a look here. Very, very nice. Ooh. Happy with this. This is lovely. Okay, moving on. Let's try something else. Let's straighten my pile over there. Then we have got hair. Okay. I've been buying a lot of yellow and mustard yellow, and I remember having a Zara pair of sort of a straight leg pants for last year. I went back home in Africa and I haven't seen ever since. I didn't wear it. I was looking forward to wear it, but it vanished. However, I did find these in everything £5. Okay, it's not as long as I wanted it to be. It's not as long as I wished it was, like, but I'm only short. It should be long enough. Let's try it on. Ah, let's have a look at this. It's not as big as I thought it was. I wanted sort of oversized, but nevertheless, very nice. He looks like designerish, like, you know. Let's try this. It looks like designer brand. It looks like something by Moschino, if you ask me. That's something that Moschino would make here, okay? And I think I've got a pair of pink trousers. I might do. I've got that much clothes, but I think I do. And I can just imagine these, you know, even with like some shorts or something. Let's just style it out and see what we can come up with. Nice for £5, guys. You get a lot of holiday clothing, you know, even things for the office. You know, everything really counts when you know how to style things, you know. You can spend very little, but if you have style, you look like $1,000,000, trust me. Alrighty, let's carry on, shall we? Oh my god, guys, a lot of things sell out really quickly, so if you see something you like, I'm gonna leave some links down below. You can go ahead and, you know, I would love for you to purchase with my links. I get a little change for coffee, you know, but I have to say, you need to hurry up if you like any of these pieces. However, they get brand new items pretty much every day, even Sundays. Okay, so you can browse through the website. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. You'll find definitely something you're gonna love it, and the price is just so appetizing, isn't it? Oh my god, oh gosh, it looks a bit different, but nevertheless, let's see it on, right? Right, this skirt, I was looking forward to get this skirt. It looks so cool, and the girl, it reminds something, like, it reminded me of, like, you know, something that I saw in Selfridges from a brand, and it has got these shimmery, like, silky pleats as well. I need to steam it, but I'll do, like, you know, a try on. I'm not probably gonna steam it, but I'm just hoping it fits me, like, nicely in my waist as well. But it's a very conservative, like, you know, it's like a, let's move this box, it's like a over the knee skirt, high-waisted, and yes honey, like it a lot. Guys, it's incredible to know that these items are like $5. Just insane, you know. Just insane. So the last item of clothing, oh my god, I was looking forward for these trousers to fit me. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it does fit me. It's a winter color, a burgundy, and I've got a coat this color, and I fell in love with the length of it, guys. I think I got size, what size is this? I'm going blind, guys. Is it 12? Yeah, I normally 8 to 10, but like I said, I'm very heavy at the moment. The length of these trousers got me going, like, I gotta have it. I just can picture in the winter with that coat, with a white shirt or something I decided to wear, you know, on top. It'll be just fantastic. It looks quite expensive, feels expensive. The length, I know I'm only a midget, but I'm gonna wear with the very high heels, and just wait to see what happens here. Yeah, guys, follow me on Instagram at Nusha Styles. I'll leave my Instagram handles just here. Okay, now my loves, we are moving on to my favorite part of this haul. Oh my god, the shoes. Oh my god, I hope I'm not gonna be disappointed. Cheers! Look at my Chanels. Only kidding. Guys, by the way, do you know I work for Chanel? I do. I said it. I do. Guys, I've got here these dirty sandals. Insane. Oh my god, everyone has got it. I see the girls at Chanel, they got it. I thought, I don't want to spend that sort of money, even with my discount. Don't be following me and be asking me for discount at Chanel, because it's not going to happen. But guys, look at these. Look at these, guys. For £5. Guys, I will style it out for you. It feels great. I hope you can see it, guys. Nice. Really comfortable. for £5. I'm impressed. You know, very cool, huh? Love it. Love it. £5. Then we have here something from Truffle. You know, Truffle is a cheap brand, but sometimes they do have cute items. Let's try. Let's see. Oh, I've got some Gucci's. Only kidding, guys. Look at this platform. It reminds me like 1970s. Is it 80s? Yeah. And I picked the newest color. And because I'm only short, I'm 5'4", they're just perfect. You know all these brands, Gucci, Tom Ford, they brought back the 70s. Is it 70s or 80s? Never mind, the 60s, right? Look at these guys. Incredible! Even the color is fantastic. I know it's Truffle, but they've done a good job. Ask a Chanel girl. And I also used to work for Selfridges for over 12 years, guys. I don't like to talk about it, but I was working in the designer gallery at the top. Was there for many years. I've got a lot of experience in luxury items, but I love a bit of a bargain as well. Yes, guys, and you don't need to have a lot of money to look good. Styling is the key here, okay? Look at this. Oh my god, incredible. Can't wait to try it on for £5. Ridiculous, right? Ask me, ridiculous. Something else I've got as well. Big last item. Then we are done. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Oh, got some trainers. Yes, baby. For £5. Where do you get stuff for £5? Where? You can't even get a burger for £5. No, I think like in McDonald's it's like burgers and chips and a drink. £8.50? Get a pair of trainers and everything £5 for £5. Only kidding, guys, but they're inspired, definitely inspired, but for the gym. And it's light enough, it's like, it's not heavy. Let's get out the box. Let's move my goodies this side. I want to show you guys everything. Everything. Look at them. Lovely. £5, guys. Go ahead, the links are down below. Go get yourself some bargains, babies. Just do, darling. You know, all of these for £66 with delivery. Amazing. You know, perfect. Alright, my loves, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. You saw all my goodies lined up in here. I hope you have enjoyed it, and please come back for more. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and go and have a look at my Instagram page as well. I start posting things there now, so hopefully get some styling inspo there as well. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.